Ankara Castle. Ankara Castle is a historical castle located in the Altındağ district of Ankara. Although it is not known exactly when it was built, it dates back to BC. It is known that the castle existed when the Galatians settled in Ankara at the beginning of the 5th century. It has been repaired many times during the Romans, Byzantines, Seljuk Dynasty and Ottomans. Ankara Castle is larger than it looks from the outside. It also hosts various festivals every year. The castle has lived through various periods throughout history. After the Roman occupation of Galatia at the beginning of the 2nd century BC, the city grew and expanded beyond the castle. Roman Emperor Caracalla had the walls of the castle repaired in 217 BC. Between 222 and 260 BC, when Emperor Alexander Severus was defeated by the Persians, the castle was partially destroyed. After the second half of the 7th century, the Romans began to repair the castle. During the Byzantine period, Emperor II Justinianos had the outer castle built in 668 AD by Emperor III. While Leon was repairing the castle walls in 740, he raised the inner castle walls. After this, Emperor Nikephoros I repaired this castle in 805, and Emperor Basil I repaired it in 869. The castle passed into the hands of the Seljuk dynasty in 1073. The castle, which was captured by the Crusaders in 1101, came under the rule of the Seljuk dynasty again in 1227. Alaeddin Keykubad I had the castle repaired, and in 1249, too. Izzeddin Keykavus made new additions to the castle. During the Ottoman period, it was repaired by Kavalalı İbrahim Pasha in 1832 and the outer walls of the castle were expanded.